If it's not spinning, then it's fine.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Part 1. We've cleaned out all the rubbish, all the vinyl flooring and everything. The bed's gone, everything else. We've been down, we've got some batten. I've been robbed from Wicks's. Need to find a cheaper supplier for timber. We're going to lift the floor, batten that out, insulate it, and that's the floor done then. I'm going to keep a few bits, as I said in the last video. Insulation I'm keeping, it's good stuff. So we're getting the screws out, get this floor lifted. The guy has used in the floor, well, he used a mixture. You've got the normal posi screw heads, which 90% of them are rounded off, and then he's used these, the star, I don't know if you can work it out, these star security, well they're not security but the star ones.
They're much easier.
They're easier, but we've only got one bit, so if we break it we are knackered. The floor's getting ripped up. But yeah, that's where we are. So get the floor up, see what hidden surprises we got underneath this ply. So we got the floor up. It's not actually that bad. I mean, it's messy, but as expected, but there's hardly any rust. That's not even rust. There's hardly any rust at all. I can't believe how clean it is for an LT. And when I say an LT, I mean just the age of it. This is a 55 plate. The Crafter was 2011. And it was a lot more rust than this on the floor. So we'll give it a sweep up, give it a clean up, and off we go.
It's a bit dirty.
Well, that is most of it cleared up, and I know I keep going on about how clean it is for an LT, but Jesus Christ, look how clean that floor is, rust wise. I'm actually having to look for little bits of rust.
It's probably like 1 or 2 bits of rust.
Right, so
Floor complete.
right, so that is the battens down for the floor. All we're waiting for now is the foil insulation, and then put the. Go on, go on.
Hi.
Is that it?
And then we can.
What?
And then we can put the insulation. We can put the insulation down, and then put the flooring back in.
Yeah, right, whatever. That's what I was going to say. So yeah, foil down, ply on top.
You heard it from me.
And the floor's done. So I'll wait for the foil and then we go from there.
Yep.
So we finally got the floor insulation. I ordered it off eBay, waited 3 days, didn't turn up. Waited another 3 days, didn't turn up. So they've done me a full refund and I've had to go and get it from Wicks's just to get on with it. So I'm bored of waiting. So I'm gonna stick all these bits of wood down or the batten down, screw them down, put the insulation on top. I'll throw you on time lapse because you don't want to hang around for that. So it's all grip filled down, all screwed down, it's all solid. So now I'm going to roll the insulation out, put the plyboard back on top. That's the floor done. I'll just make it very clear, everyone, I'm not a professional. So what I do may not necessarily be the right way, it's just my way. Just get that very clear first. But yeah, so I'm going to get this insulation down and we'll go from there. insulation down. I put the ply down now and then cut nice and neat around the edges of the ply. Right, battened, insulated, floor back down, screwed down. The floor's done. It looks like it's going to pour down the rain, so I'm going to get more bits of wood back in the van and I'm going to chance it and shampoo my seats at the front because the van stinks, it smells, the seats are disgusting, so I'm going to give it a bit of a tidy up. So rain has definitely stopped play. We just had a massive shower, but the seats come out alright. Don't smell so bad in there now. I think I'm going to call it a day. So thanks all for watching part 1. If you haven't already, subscribe for part 2 and we can get our build on.